Oh, hello, didn't see you there. Guess what? This video is incredible. If you want this tool and you want to get it for $0, yeah, I said for free, you're going to simply go to your phone, which we're probably watching on. You're going to click the description and the link is going to be right there, bro. It's that simple. All right, so as you see it, we right to it on this one. Today is day 50 of getting rich with AI. So you see right here, this website has blowout sales. So they got some stuff that we can sell that's already on sale. So when I'm looking for products or things to sell, bro, I'm thinking like, all right, what can we make money with AI? The goal is to get rich using AI and attracting money. So when I scroll down here, I see cologne. They got some arm spicy woody paws. Whoa. This cologne looks like Polo cologne, but they got a lot of different products. This is fire. A round glass large tabletop. That's a fireplace. I don't know how in demand it is, but that's fire. So they got a bunch of different products that are all on sale right now. Okay. So you know what? Let's look over here. When we sort to the left, they got stuff that's going to be ending in the next 3 days, next week, next 10 days. But I'm looking for something that everybody likes. Something that is no matter what year, no matter what time of year, no matter what time of day, what country people like. You know what I'm thinking? Y'all know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking dogs. Let's go dogs. Let's see what they got. All right, people. So look, this is what I'm seeing. I typed in dogs, and as you see, this is Doba.com. If you don't know, a fire-ass website that's going to help us figure out how we can get some paper. So they got a black iron Dachshund metal dog, whatever that is. They got a dog, I guess, scrubber, a harness. Okay, my girl's dog got one of these. That's probably where she got it from. Okay. So all the stuff y'all been seeing on TikTok, Temu, even Amazon, they have these products. Damn, they got a dog bone. Okay, they got a bunch of stuff. Okay, so this is what is trending right now. And the dope thing about Doba is they got all these products, right? So let's say we want to do this harness. And I went ahead and clicked the harness. So it says dog harness for large dogs, no pull, adjustable, whatever, a bunch of shit about it. Okay, so as we scroll down, we see we got all the pics that model and show you exactly what the product is about. So we don't gotta do none of that work, you feel me? We can download all these pictures, we can download all the videos. It ships from America. Okay, and it ships within 2 to 7 days. I like what I'm seeing. The processing time is about 2 days. So 1 business day is the average. You see right here, I hovered over download. Now, if we want to list this product and sell it somewhere, guess what we're going to need? Pictures. And I already show y'all how to use AI all the time to make your own characters, to put the product on a person. That's a whole nother video. But for the sake of this one, you could download all the pictures we just saw, all the videos for this product. And guess what? You can list it to your store that they made for you. Mind blown. Yeah, I said they made it for you. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? And if you want to do something quick, you can just add it to your inventory list by clicking this button right here, and it'll quickly add it to your inventory list. And I always log in and show y'all this time in and time out. This is a free account, and as you see, I'm not even subscribed, but I can still add to my inventory right here with 1 click. All right, let's find another product and see if it's just as easy. So we got another dog product right here. Here's another one. This is an adjustable muzzle. So this is for you, Tabitha, Susan, whoever you are with that loud ass dog. You can get a purple one. Guess what else you can get? A green and red one. Or guess what else you can get? A blue one. And these are all different muzzles that come in small, medium, large. There's 9 different variants as you see right here. And you literally can ship from America. Shout out to Trump. I don't know whoever y'all like. But look, we're making business in America. Shit ships from America, the US of A. And it shows you exactly how long it's going to take to get to the customer. So if you don't have a shop or know where to sell this, I suggest you sign up for TikTok. I suggest you sign up for Instagram. And if you do not know how to use AI yet to get paid, I suggest you go check out some of my previous videos where I show you how to make your own characters, how to use these different tools, how to use ChatGPT, or even tools like Doba. But that's another video. If you do not know what to post, another thing you could do is repurpose other people's already viral content. And look, I even want to show y'all some of these drop downs. They got Temu selections. So if you want to see what Temu got cooking, 1 click is going to show you that Temu is already pushing Christmas. They don't give a damn about Halloween. They're ready to go. Make sure you like the video and drop a comment, because I'm going to start picking some of you blessed people and start doing some giveaways. So drop a comment what your small business is and what do you want to sell. Other than that, back to the video. Another click and thing you're going to see that's totally free is when you click this drop down right here. Guess what they got? You can scroll down and pick your category, and they got pets. They got not just any pet. They got, look how much stuff they got for dogs, from dog crates to dog houses, toys, health supplies, dog food, cat cages, small animals. Bro, the list goes on and on and on. And you can literally click anything you want to see, and the list is going to be unlimited. So they got a lot of products that they're selling for a cheap price that you're going to be able to get for a cheap price, because this toy is cool, but we skipping the middleman. I can literally go to any type of supplier I want that sells products here. I can save their information so I can go back to them and make sure I check out their other products, or I can start messaging them and talking with them right now, see if I can get deals. Can I I get in bulk? If I have questions, you can start hollering at them. So whether you got a store that looks like this right here and you're selling your own merch, or you got a store that's selling a product or service, they got an AI tool built right in that's literally going to build the store for you, find the products. I know y'all lazy, you don't want to go search and do any of that other shit. Of course, this is America. Or they have an AI auto lister, which means it's going to list stuff to the store for you. So what that means is when stuff runs out, when you're running short, when there's no more colors of a certain kind, or they add new colors or variations, they go update it for you, bro. And they always going to keep fact of what's the news trends and all the niches. So this is Doba. We've made videos about them before, but they keep impressing me because they keep adding new stores. They keep updating the AI in the background. I think it's fire. Let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment on what product you sell. What is your small business? And I may just donate to a small business that's in the comments. So I suggest you start dropping them comments and make sure you check out Doba. Everything you need is in the description. You did.